On question 7 of the additional maths paper 2022. So this question, it says that we're going to be assessed on our written communication of the question as well. So it's really important that when we are working our steps through, we just make our notes really nice and clear. A few headings just to help as well. So if I look at this shape, I'm looking for the total surface area of the cuboid. So I need the 3 sides. So I need to find this side by here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is find the diagonal of the bottom. So I'm just going to write 4 and 3, and this is my communication in this sense because I'm showing just the examiner what I'm doing. So using Pythagoras to do this, okay, so you might have already seen that, and it is actually, in fact, a Pythagoras triple. So, don't know why I put this 3 there. There you go. So we got 4 squared plus 3 squared, and that's going to give us 5 centimeters. Again, because we are an OCW, well, it's called a QWC in this one. So just noting the units as you go in. Now, once we've done this, we can now work out the height. So I'm going to write a little thing. So height of cuboid. Make sure your spelling is correct. There we go. And we're going to have our triangle for, say, 5 centimeters is along the bottom, and it's covering the whole of that diagonal, okay? And 13 right here. Again, Pythagoras. This time we're taking away, so 13 squared minus 5 squared. Again, this is another Pythagoras triple, okay? So just be aware, Pythagoras triples just square root nicely. So 13 squared would be, was 169, take away your 25 would give you your 144, which then, when we square root, gives us 12 centimeters. Once we got those parts, that's nice and done. Okay, we can now work out the surface area. So I'm going to write in that 12 centimeters. So surface area comes from all the outside parts of the actual cuboid we've got. So if you look at that first part where you've got 12 as a height, I know this is not drawn to scale. You've got the base of 4, technically, it's 12 by 4. And there's 2 of these, okay? So 12 times 4, well, 12 times 4 is 48. We're doubling that, so that gives us 96 centimeters squared because we're looking at area. And I'm just going to write a thing saying total surface area. So I've got my title there. I know it's badly written. You have more space though. The second one we're going to do is the one we actually got given straight away. So that was 4 by 3. And again, there's 2 of those. So 4 times 3 is 12, times by 2 is 24 centimeters squared. And then the last one right here, this is going to be, actually I'm going to move that up just so I can write the last part of the question underneath. Hopefully your shapes are a little bit better than mine, but I'm just drawing them on the screen. So we use 4 and 3, we've used 12 and 4, so we've got left is 12 and 3. Again, it's not drawn to scale, it doesn't need to be. And that is going to be 72 centimeters squared. To find out the final total, we need to add all these together. So 96 plus 24 plus 72. And that gives us about 192 centimeters squared. And that would be the total surface area for this question. Okay, let's move me over here. So mark scheme. Seems quite a lot here, doesn't it? So we've got 1 mark for finding the horizontal diagonal, which we've done. Next one is to find the height, which we've done. So we did 13 squared, take away 25 because we did that, so that's fine. We got M1 for that. And that's still going, that's an alternative method, so that's fine. And and they're alternative methods again. So as long as we got the height of the cuboid. So even though all these marks are here, they're not actually used because this is the alternative. So the next mark we'll see is the height of the cuboid, which is this one by here, which we've got because we wrote 12. Then it's a surface area. Because we times each individual by 2, it doesn't make sense. It's like an equivalent version we've done. So we've used our method, we've shown it, and then the final one is the 192 for that part. Okay, so you should have gained all the marks there. Now, candidates are expected to present the work clearly with words explaining the process or steps. Because we've done total surface area, height of cuboid, that is enough words there. Okay, and shown all of the workings, so we've shown it out nice and clearly. Okay, so, and again, just making sure we've shown that and we've done mathematical form as we've gone along, so that's fine. Just make sure your spelling's not wrong, to be honest. That's why I quickly edited the ones to make sure it makes sense. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that one.